Mastering GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice. Good manufacturing practice ensures consumers' lives aren't compromised for profit. What is the primary objective of implementing good manufacturing practice in our organization, and how does its adherence to rigorous standards contribute to ensuring the consistent production of high-quality products while minimizing risks to consumers and patients? Implementing good manufacturing practice, GMP, in an organization is primarily aimed at ensuring the consistent production of high-quality products while minimizing risks to consumers and patients. The primary objective of GMP is to guarantee that products are consistently manufactured to a high standard of quality, safety, and efficacy, thereby protecting public health. This is achieved by adhering to rigorous standards that encompass all aspects of the manufacturing process, from raw material sourcing to product distribution. Adherence to GMP standards ensures that products are manufactured in a controlled environment, where every step of the process is carefully managed and monitored. This includes the implementation of robust quality management systems, rigorous testing and validation procedures, and meticulous documentation of all activities. By following these standards, manufacturers can ensure that their products meet the required specifications, are free from contamination and adulteration, and are safe for consumption or use. One of the key contributions of GMP to ensuring the consistent production of high-quality products is the implementation of a quality risk management system. This system identifies, assesses, and mitigates potential risks to product quality, safety, and efficacy throughout the manufacturing process. By proactively identifying and addressing potential risks, manufacturers can prevent defects, contamination, and other issues that could compromise product quality. Another critical aspect of GMP is the establishment of robust standard operating procedures, SOPs, that dictate every step of the manufacturing process. SOPs ensure that all activities are performed consistently and correctly, reducing the risk of human error and variability. Furthermore, SOPs provide a framework for employee training and ensure that all personnel involved in the manufacturing process are aware of their roles and responsibilities. GMP's adherence to rigorous standards also ensures that products are manufactured in a clean and sanitized environment, where all equipment and facilities are properly maintained and validated. This includes the implementation of effective cleaning and sanitization procedures, as well as the validation of critical equipment and systems. By controlling the manufacturing environment, manufacturers can prevent contamination and ensure that products are free from impurities and defects. In addition, GMP's emphasis on documentation and record-keeping ensures that all activities related to product manufacturing are accurately recorded and traceable. This includes batch records, equipment logs, and quality control data, among others. By maintaining accurate and comprehensive records, manufacturers can track product history, identify trends and patterns, and respond to any issues or complaints that may arise. Moreover, GMP's focus on continuous improvement and corrective action ensures that manufacturers are proactive in identifying and addressing areas for improvement. This includes the implementation of a corrective action and preventive action (CAPA) system, which investigates and resolves deviations, complaints, and other issues that may impact product quality. By adopting a culture of continuous improvement, manufacturers can refine their processes, reduce errors, and enhance product quality. In terms of minimizing risks to consumers and patients, GMP's adherence to rigorous standards ensures that products are safe and efficacious. By controlling the manufacturing process and ensuring that products meet the required specifications, manufacturers can reduce the risk of adverse reactions, contamination, and other safety issues. Furthermore, GMP's emphasis on product testing and validation ensures that products are thoroughly evaluated for safety and efficacy before they are released to the market. In conclusion, the primary objective of implementing GMP in an organization is to ensure the consistent production of high-quality products while minimizing risks to consumers and patients. By adhering to rigorous standards, manufacturers can guarantee that their products are safe, efficacious, and of high quality, thereby protecting public health and well-being.